Hello friends, class 11 students. ইতিমধ্যে মই আগৰ ভিডিও বিলাকত তোমালোকক 9.2 চেপ্টাৰৰ সিৰিজৰ আমি যেটো মানে AP arithmetic progression আছিল হেতু তোমালোকক পঢ়াইছো. So let us start from today a new chapter 9.3, that is GP, geometric progression. Before going to the chapter's questions, let's see what are the meaning of GP, just to know the basic informations about GP. Look at the board. What is GP? GP means the geometric progression. GP means geometric progression. The geometric progression to our AP, arithmetic progression, are difference to key. Look at this. AP, look at this. AP is equal to what? This is the first term, and if the D is common difference, then I can write A plus D, A plus. We always add D after before the previous number. Along with the previous number. Jodi A2 A whole talagot D plus koilu A2 logot outer D korim thik talage enaka so on it will go on gotike etu ki hoy A plus D A plus twice D dot enaka agbahi goi thake ami yat pai goi thako aru nth term to kenek paisilu A plus n minus 1 into D. This is for your recapitulation for the AP, arithmetic progression. Look at what is look at the board. Now what is GP? GP means it goes the multiples. Ami janake AP add kori jao, we add D, so yet multiples ragbahi jay keneke hoy this is the first term A, and here we do not use D, we use here R, small r, or sometimes capital R. So this R is called common ratio. Common ratio bole R, common ratio. The common ratio keneke hobo etu yet multiply hoy thake so AR ta mane jene ami D to AP D to plus hoy thake yet R to common ratio to into hoy thake ta pisore kiman hobo AR square hobo eneka ak bahi goi thakibo AR cube hobo eneka ak bahi goi thakibo finally goi ki hobo jete nth term to pamge ami keneke when you reach the nth term we get AR to the power n minus 1. So this is the fourth term, but here is 3. First, second, third, fourth term, but 3. That means 1 less. So it is nth term, so it will be 1 AR to the power n minus 1. 1 less n minus 1. This is called GP. This is the GP. Now look at it. Buji paisa nishon malake it buji pabo lagibo. Eto prothom buji paisa noy? Okay. So tenehole jodi buji paisa, then let's go for the question. First question. Eta buji pai deba. Ami first question dia ase find the 20th and nth terms of the GP. Eja tumalok R, this is called common ratio. R to keneke uliam moi kwa hua nai. Let's see how will you find out the R. Eta yat ki dia ase ami answer jodi koibole jao yat a kiman dia ase. This is the first term. A means what? 5/2. And R to keneke uliam ite common ratio. Common ratio keneke uliam second term by first term. Second term by first term. So second term to kiman dia ase? Second term kiman dia ase? 5/4. First term ki ditho ase? 5/2. Tele kiman hobo etiale? 5/4 into what is 2/5? It will reverse 5 cut 2. This is half. In this way we find out the what? Common ratio, which is represented by small r or sometimes on condition capital R. So A palmami, we have got the A, now we have got R, and then what? We have asked to find out the 20th term. So A20 how much? A R to the power 19. A R to the power 19. Kyo 19 hoy? Nth term to me keneke likhu? Nth term n minus 1. Ete ekhone ek kom thakibo 1 less thakibo. The A mane kiman? A means 5/2 into R means what? 1/2 to the power what? To the power 19. Correct? To kiman hobo tiale? Eto tumaloke nijon je saman likhibo pa. A half to jodi include kori kiman hobo? 5 into 1/2 to the power 20. এনেকে লিখিব পাৰা answer to কাৰণ 1/2 to the power 20 বা half to the power 20 ইয়াৰ ভ্যালুয়েশন উলিয়াটো ইমান সহজ নহব গতিকে এটো নিজৰ নিজৰ ষ্টাইলত তোমালোকে নিজৰ নিজৰ সুবিধা মতে লিখিব পাৰিবা গতিকে তেনেকুৱা কোনো কথা নাই তোমালোকে নিজৰ ষ্টাইলত লিখিব পাৰিবা এইটো নিজৰ যদি 1/2 0.5 কৰা 0.5 to the power 20 তেনেকৈ হ'ব পাৰে গতিকে যেনেকৈ নহওক তুমি উত্তৰটো লিখিব পাৰিবা গতিকে এইটোৱে হ'ল দিছ ইজ দ্য এনচাৰ ফৰ 28th টাৰ্ম এই এনচাৰটো বিভিন্ন প্ৰকাৰে ইউ কেন ৰাইট একৰ্ডিং টু ইয়ৰ চইচ সেইটো বেলেগ এটা কথা ইউ কেন ৰাইট দ্যাট ইজ বাট দ্য perfect but the final answer is this okay so then what is you are asking next question is nth term what is nth term let's see here nth term means a is what a n to the power a r to the power n minus 1 good a means what a means 5/2 into r common ratio is half n minus 1 is n minus 1 good kiman hobo 5 into a half to the homoid kiman hobo half to the power n hobo kan here half takile plus 1 hoy jabo plus 1 le 1 kata gole half to the power n thakibo so this is the answer for nth term and 20th term I repeat this you can write the answer you can write according to your calculations what is called the way in what way you have do your calculations you can write the answer in that way so this is the answer so very simple questions you can take the snapshot for question number 1 let's see question number 2 in the question number 2 the question is asking question number 2 let's see question number 2 12th term that means A12 12th term of an GP whose 8th term is this find we have to find the 12th term of the GP whose 8th term that means A8 is equal 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2 and common ratio is 2 this is the question what the question is asking find the 12th term of an GP whose 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2 so you can start from here what is A8 you can write a r to the power 7 one less always so 192 what is the value of r r is given what a is equal to 2 to the power 7 is equal 192 okay so a is equal what 192 by 2 to the power 7 so what is 192 can you see what is 192 what you can write 192 if you just factorize the 192 what you will get this is 2 9s are 18 then what this is 12 2 6 are then again how much 2 4s are 2 8s are then again 2 how much this is 24 then again 2 this is 12 then again 2 6 then again 2 what 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 that means 2 to the power 6 into 3 sorry 192 you can write 2 to the power 6 into 3 and here 2 to the power 7 so what is the a means 2 to the power 6 by 2 to the power 7 means what you can cut here so 2 by 3 by 2 this is the value of a 3 by 2 now common ratio is given we have to find out a12 so what is the value of a12 means a into r to the power 11 so what is the value of r what is the value of a means 3 by 2 into what is the value of r means 2 to the power 11 if you cut this here or if you bring this one then 3 into 2 to the power what 10 and you can find the value directly 2 to the power you can write the answer in that way also and 2 to the power 10 you can write how you can write so already 2 to the power 8 is given 2 to the power 8 is already given you see look at the question here 2 to the power 8 is 192 sorry 2 to the power 8 is what 2 to the power 7 2 to the power 7 is given here 2 to the power 7 so 2 to the power 10 you can find out this or otherwise you can write the answer in that way too understand any question আৰু নহলে তোমাৰ কাম কৰিব পাৰা 2 to the power 10 to উলিয়াই লব পাৰা 2 to the power 10 কিমান 2 to the 4 নে গৈ থাকিব পাৰিবা 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 8 to the 16 16 to the 32 তাৰ মানে 32 into 32 হলে 10 to the power 2 to the power 10 হৈ যাব কিয় কাৰণ ইয়াত 2 কিমান থাকে 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 8 to the 6 and 6 to the 32 ইয়াত 5 টা থাকে 5 2s here so another 5 2 is 10 so it is 4 6 6 9 so 4 to 102 that means 3 into 1024 then you can multiply here what 3 was 12 10 to 72 0 3 you can find out the perfect answer this way understand so this is question number 2 so then this question number 3 and 4 the same way it is given it is a little bit of different so before going to 3 and 4 you have to understand question number 1 and 2 and the basic ideas of what is called ZP so I think you have understand what is the meaning of ZP ZP mane ki tomaloke buji paisa question number 1 and 2 tomar koi dilo so with other questions I am coming in the next video till then keep watching your favorite channel mathematics with Parak Tangoli thank you